I'm on the balcony. Check me out. I'm on the balcony. So this is what my balcony looks like. I'm standing at the door, so nothing special. Okay, here's my grass. It's gonna go on my balcony. I've been airing it out and I'm ready. I've been waiting for this to start my balcony, so I am officially ready to start decorating. Okay, so I'm gonna take everything off my balcony. Those are my little plants there. And let's start this. I'm so excited. Okay, I put it down. I was cutting some edges, as you guys can see, trying to get it to fit neatly. Look at that. I knew it was gonna be kind of short, so there's some here. I thought that there'd be enough because there's a wall here. So when I cut it, I could just slice it there, but it was a little short. But I'll find something to cover up that spot. Overall, whoop, it looks pretty damn good. Okay, I got these balcony covers from IKEA. You still can't see me because I set it for when I'm sitting down. Okay. Ooh, press on. Oh. I got these balcony covers from IKEA. They're $25. Yeah, because I remember I complained that I had to get two and I spent $50. $25. And they're just gonna go over these to, well, cover them. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's done. I had to fold this one twice because, you know, it was obviously, if this one was big, this one got folded right there. But looks pretty good. I'm excited for it. Okay, so welcome to my little oasis called my balcony. Those are lights. My little stool that I made. How cute is it, guys? Okay, so I'll go through everything. So I got this palm tree plant. Oh, let's start from the grass. So this is a grass carpet. It's actually really nice quality. I spilled some dirt there, so that's all what all those white stuff is. It's the, what is the name? The nutrients in the dirt? Whatever. It got spilled because my tree fell, so it made a mess. But I got this from Home Depot and it was $20. It's some kind of palm tree or something when you search it up. I had this set from when I moved here. I don't even remember where I got it. I think it was Walmart for $9. I remember I paid $100 for it. And I just wanted to refresh it, so I got these from IKEA. As you can see, they're kind of small, but they still look cute. To dress up this table, I found this at the dollar store for $4, and it's actually tic-tac-toe. Me and my husband play it, and we actually play this. Like, it's not just here for show. My husband smokes, so definitely needed this to make sure that all the ashes were hidden away, and it doesn't smell. This I got from the dollar store as well. How cute is it? It's citronella. It was $3 or $4, and it's supposed to help the mosquitoes stay at bay. So I'm excited for this. Remember this container that I bought from my winter's haul? I showed you guys exactly what I was gonna do, so that's that. Also this from the winter's haul. I haven't found a big candle to put in there yet, so still working on it, but it looks cute. I got this balcony protector screen thing so people can't look through. I got it from IKEA. These little flowers I got from the dollar store. I thought it gave it a little spicy touch. There's some nice ones over there. These are my plants. I had this shelving unit in my apartment for maybe I had it for a long time. I don't even want to disclose how long, but I had it for a long time. Finally put it up, and this is what it looks like. So there's my watering jug. Got that from the dollar store. It was $3, I think. I got this. It's supposed to be some kind of plant food. It's $3.50 again from the dollar store. My sinus is killing me, so if I sound really bad, I am sorry. I got these planters from Amazon. It was 10 for $25, something like that, and it comes with a little base there. So yeah, there they are. I just got them yesterday, and I will be putting herbs and stuff in them. Probably some mint, basil, green onions, like, I don't know, something like that for now. Up here is gonna be my entertainment shelf that I will take out when I have company over. This is super cute. It's big enough that, you know, you can put drinks in it and share, but it's not too big that you don't want to take it out. So I thought that was cute. I got that from Dollarama for $4. I got this a long time ago. I think it was off Amazon. And well, this is just here for aesthetics. So there you go. Look at the aesthetics. I got this board from IKEA. It was, I think, $23. I bought the lights from IKEA for 12 bucks. I know, I'm slipping. $12, but I got caught up in buying stuff, okay? I will light it up in a bit, show you guys what that looks like. Remember the shelf that I got from Winners? This is what it looks like. I got this little light from the dollar store. I think it was $2. It's actually kind of bright. It probably won't look that bright here now. Well, you can kind of still see it. But it's actually really bright in the nighttime. I also got this at the dollar store. I think it was $3 or $2. And I don't know, I just thought it looked nice, so I bought it. Here is my cushion / doggy bed. Well, it's a cushion, but it's supposed to be a doggy bed, so it's a doggy bed and I'm using it as a cushion. And it's on top of my bench that I got from IKEA, and I put together myself. The cover comes completely off, and you can put your stuff in there. I plan on putting anything that, you know, might get wet or whatever in here. And then this just goes back on top, and we're back to regular programming. So that is my little balcony, and I'm very happy with it, and it looks super cute. So here's the angle of that side so you guys could see. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, tell me what you guys think. Thank you.